Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade analysis for Tuesday, 21st September, and a trade review of what happened today. Today was a pretty good day. We had a good up move and a good sell off. We weren't able to trade on the upside, but we took a short position right over here when kind of this evening star formed at the CPR level with targets of S1 and S2. The first target was S1, and the major support was at 37,030 based on this price action as well, because we previously took resistance here, so I had a feeling we would hit this, but I got out early since I had one strike price which was out of the money. So the moment my target of this S1 hit, I came out early in the trade, but after that the price did go in at S2. Made pretty decent profits at about 20,000, which is good enough with three strike prices, multiple lots. So this was a trade that happened today. Also, we made use of this black trend line. Once this broke, was pretty convinced we are going to go and hit the lower levels. I'm just going to turn off the other lines that I marked and just look at only the price action based on the CPR. See how beautifully we took support at this S1 previous day low, went reverse back to the CPR based on the reversal logic, and from there we had a huge sell off until S2, so which is good. Now making use of the price action and CPR, now coming for the trade possibilities for tomorrow. See, as of now, the world market is quite bearish. Dow Jones is down around 600 points. The European market is down. DAX is down about 413 points. And looking at SGX Nifty, we are seeing a gap down of 5 points. This can change over the day when the US market opens. So depending on whether we get a gap up or a gap down tomorrow, in case we get a gap down, probably there is no trade on the put side further down. I don't think we will fall more because there is a very good support at this level. Okay, that is 36,900. So basically 37,000. So there is a pretty good support at 37,000 unless 37,000 is properly taken out. When I say properly, with like a good bearish candle in 15 minutes, there is we shouldn't be looking to short more, because there is a chance we might reverse from 37,000 for a few points on the upside. So be careful. Unless 37,000 is taken out, don't go on the put side. Okay, now I'm just going to use the CPR and the previous price action. See, at very small intervals we have a good support, right? In case 37,000 is taken out, then we might see some support at this black line that I've drawn. Previously also we have taken one support here, so we might take support again here, or even the S2, which is around 36,600. This is only if 37,000 is broken on the downside. Okay, we might take support here. Even if this black trend line breaks, then there's a major support over here, that is 36,500. I don't think we'll go down so much tomorrow, but in case we do, based on the, as the global market is also bearish, yeah, a good support is coming in at 36,500. For some reason, if we get a gap up, right, see SGX Nifty as of now it's showing only about 5 points. Once the US market opens, this might increase, or it might even show that we might get a gap up. In case we get a gap up, yeah, I'll probably look to sell around this CPR level, or even this R1 level, where we also have a price action resistance over here. In case we go until 37,600, probably, yeah, I'll try to take a short trade. In case we break out of even this, there's also a possibility where the price might go and retest this trend line which broke down today and then fall again. So this is also one possibility, but my big trade will be if we get a strong support at this level. Okay, strong support at S1 and 36,900 or 37,000, we might see a good chance of the price reversing back until the CPR because of the huge fall today and then remaining sideways for rest of the day based on the wide CPR. So this is one possibility that I'm betting on tomorrow. Let's see what happens. But tomorrow will not be such a big move like how we have had today. It will be in case whether we go up or go down, it will be a small move based on white CPR according to me. So we'll have to be very quick in booking profits. So these are the levels that I have marked for tomorrow. Now just looking at the open interest in Bank Nifty, see we have a good resistance at 37,500 and a good support at 37,000. Because of this open interest also, it's giving us a conviction that in case we get a good support based on price action at 37,000, we can go long. Let me mark 37,000 on the chart. Okay, it's coming somewhere around here. That's fine. So any support in this area, even open interest is telling the same thing. Say a gap down, a small gap down, and we take some support at this S1 between 36,900 and 37,000. There's a good chance of reversal tomorrow based on the open interest, and a good resistance at 37,500. So that's it for with Bank Nifty. Now looking at Nifty, let me just turn on the CPR and hide these lines. Even Nifty had similar move like Bank Nifty. It went up, took resistance at CPR and had a huge sell-off. So anybody who traded based on CPR in Nifty and Bank Nifty would have made big money today. So I have a couple of interesting levels for Nifty. Let me just turn off this CPR so that it's pretty clear. See, all the red lines are the resistance. In case we go up, we could take resistance in these levels. See, there's a very good support over here. There was resistance over here which acted as support over here. Again, the price has tested this level. You see how many times the price has taken resistance and support at this level. Again, we have reached this level. So if this breaks tomorrow, we are heading to the next level, that is 17,250. And even if that breaks, there's a small support at 17,200, and even if that is taken out, then we are going for 17,000. I don't think this will happen tomorrow, but I'm just showing you the levels where the next support is coming in. See, today there was a good support over here based on this price action. How many times we have taken resistance here? I thought in Nifty we are not going to break this level 17,400 today, but we did break and hit 17,369 where there was previous price action as well. So tomorrow, based on the gap up or gap down, right, if we get a gap down, let me just get rid of this line. In case we get a gap down, there might not be a chance to buy put immediately. There might be a small retracement. Probably the price will take resistance at about 17,360 and then probably see lower levels of 17,250. And based on the CPR, we have S1 at about 17,300 and S2 at 17,200. This is a very good support. See, we are getting a support based on the CPR, S2 and price action. So in case for any reason we dip until 17,200, this is a good place to book profit. See, here we have S2 and this price action support is there, which happened on 3rd September at 17,200. So if we dip, it's a good chance, it's a good place to book profits here at S2 of CPR. Now let's just look at the open interest for Nifty. Okay, Nifty 17,400 is having some support, good support, and 17,500 as good resistance. So Nifty slipping on the downside looks little difficult based on the open interest, but this could change dynamically in the live market like how it did today. So where is 400 is here, okay. And in case we get a gap up, right, and see, based on the current open interest, which is about at 17,400, we are getting support. It could also be a possibility that the down move for now is done in Nifty. Probably we are taking support at this level, and we could also head higher. This is also a good possibility on Nifty. So this 13,669, sorry, 369 will act as a pretty crucial level. If this breaks, we will see lower side. If this holds, probably tomorrow we will see a good move on the upside as well, is a possibility. And we can also make use of the CPR levels as the targets. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope these levels help you out in trading, whatever I've marked. We had a pretty good day. Thank you for watching and have a good trading day tomorrow.